Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and yeah, I'm back in Jamaica, and I've been slacking on my vlogs, I know, but well, it's just been 1 week. I just took 1 week off, like really, it's just been 1 week. It seems longer in my head, but it's not that long. So today, Evan, Stacy, and I think one of our friends are coming as well, but we are going to the stadium for some track meet or something. I don't know, because Stacy invited me and I just took Evan along with me, so I don't know what's really happening, but she said some track meet and we just said alright, let we go. It's as simple as that. So we're heading there now. Oh, say hi. Really? Me never ever again I gonna make him say hi, like legit, because that's not hi. This is not hi.
Hi vlog.
And we're not even concentrating on it right now.
How you doing vlog?
Nobody missed you, really.
Yeah. Everyone missed you.
No, nobody said where is everyone. Well, everyone obviously they know say we're not at the same place, but nobody never said about you. No.
Oh.
So yeah, Jamaica is hot as hell. It's like living in a sauna. Well, Kingston is like living in a sauna. I don't know about anywhere else. And I was supposed to go over this weekend. Well, go over as in go St. Thomas this weekend, but I didn't end up going because mommy wanted me to attend a funeral with her next week. So it would make sense to go over this weekend and then I have to go back next weekend, and then yeah, so we're just gonna end up going over next weekend. So I will definitely vlog that. But I don't think I will be vlogging the funeral and all, because that's kind of too intimate to me. I don't know how people vlog funeral. I don't know, but I won't be vlogging that. I don't know. I don't think it's right to vlog a funeral. What is there to vlog at a funeral? People crying, dead body, the pastor preaching. That's it. Maybe after the funeral where everybody meet up, maybe that, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog the funeral at all. But yeah, I'll be there for the weekend, which is Saturday to Sunday obviously, and then I'll be back in Kingston. But yeah, that's why I didn't reach over this week, because my mommy and her whole situation. And no, it's not anybody close to me that is dead. It is her friend's father, I believe. So yeah. What else is there to update you guys on? I don't know. If I find out anything else, I'll update you guys. So we're here. Stacy there. Hi, Stacy. Hi.
You're vlogging?
Yes, trying to. I haven't vlogged since I've been back, so I'm just vlog. So we're kind of late. You see the crowd? I'm here to grandstand full already, and our grandstand where I go.
Them some of grandstand always finish.
Yeah, so we're here to grandstand full already, and we just reached. Like, I don't know what's gonna work. Check here one little chair. Or one little blanket to sit on.
Sorry, you're a cousin.
Yeah, so we reached. So it's a gate 7 and 8 full already.
Oh, you know these things?
You know, the lady up there to say it. The lady said gate 7 and 8 full.
She said it to us?
No, she just said it to her friend. So that's what I'm here. Probably, you know. But
that may I say.
What? Bleachers. Is it? So we're here. We are bleachers. We are bleach. We are bleach. So how much gate we are go through? You have my ticket right? Alright, so I'm gonna get back to none. We'll go through here so. So then take KFC and I may never take none.
Nobody does it better.
And the place probably actually true, but oh well.
The entrance.
You see the parking lot? Here. Place full.
You never walk past me. Me walk past them, walk past over Jane people them and lift up in one of the youth them. Never see when somebody bunks in the youth.
I still don't know what I'm doing over here, to be honest.
Let's walk past. Alright then.
Walking.
Still don't know.
No, she.
Soon to be
As in, no, as in, I don't know what's happening over here.
Oh. Hopefully we find out.
One other thing.
So we're inside now. I don't know if you can hear me. We're inside. Hopefully you can hear me. And as for the shop, you can stay and it's something that you have to get used to. So we're actually sit down way over there. Like way over there. Hopefully they can't hear me. Man, no. This camera don't come with like a mic where you can put on, so we can't just put on mic on it. And I would be definitely be that extra person to put a mic on this camera and walk around with it. Like honestly, I cannot. So I'll see you guys when I'm there. So fine seat now and the first race starts. Let me see if I can zoom in.
Them sitting out still.
Yeah, that's why I never try to buy nothing like them something there.
The first track event on the way, the women's 400 meters A race. A good start in lane 8 for Candice McLeod. Also going.
What are you doing? I shall just make you embarrass yourself on my vlog.
That's good. KK is black. It's necessary.
The sky looks nice,
Yeah.
but it looks like it's about to rain though. Hopefully it's not. We're basically here and they're not doing anything. But I'm alright with that, to be honest. I'm quite okay. You alright?
Yep. Alright for now.
In the men's high jump.
Not just people.
Fourth,
Yeah.
2018 staging of the Jamaica International Invitation from the United States, James Harris. The 2010 World Under 20 Championship
Did you
silver
see my
medalist, the
purple
best jump
hair?
of 2.29 meters from Puerto Rico, David Smith.
It's purple.
Good luck,
My
gentlemen.
favorite color is purple.
And my favorite color is
Green. Like the moolah.
yeah.
The putas and the putas.
The Mutas. And the Kulos. Yeah, out here chasing Puta. Puta, what?
Exactly, I don't even know.
Cardi Visa.
This angle is actually nice. I don't know why I'm vlogging though. I'm just vlogging because I have nothing better to do. We can't just people. So we can't just people.
You know, what method is it? I have no idea.
And the place is just over there in our phone. This is race with the most Jamaican female in it, so we're gonna watch this one. Hopefully then set it off real quick. Let me see if I can zoom in. Zooms to the in. It looks so fuzzy and slickle. Focus. Focus.
So away they go then for the women's 400 meters. A good start for Tiffany James in lane number 7, going past Francina Macarori. Also going well, Anastasia Leroy in lane number 4. So Leroy leads based on the stagger. Trying to go with her at the moment is Stephanie Ann McPherson. Tiffany James now being caught by the rest of the field as they near the 200 meter mark. So 200 meters to go. It's Leroy and Stephanie Ann McPherson, the top two at the moment. Also trying to get back, Kristen Gordon from lane number 3. Tiffany
If a Jamaican don't win this race and come second and third,
into the straightaway they come.
I'm gonna be disappointed.
It's Leroy from Stephanie Ann McPherson and Kristen Gordon. Christine Day also finishing strongly, but the battle between Leroy and McPherson. McPherson and Leroy. McPherson wins it. Leroy second, Gordon third. Day in fourth, then James. 50.98 seconds.
Yes, she said that was painful for her.
So that's 50.
Alright, so Jamaican win. We won.
Yeah.
First, second, and third, I think.
And third, yeah, I think so. Definitely first and second. I'm not sure what third. So we'll find out. But I think we'll do third too. Too many Jamaicans in this race, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, it was a bit weird.
After we are run so long through slavery too. Listen to me, huh? Oh yeah.
The views express.
I think I will come third too.
First and second, but those two are Jamaicans, for sure.
I look on the big screen on there, so. I can't see no outside, I mean, I'm sure. But we definitely see Jamaican first, second.
First and second are definitely Jamaican. That, I don't remember.
Gordon.
I think that's American.
I'm not sure, I'm not too sure. I think she's Jamaican, no? I think Gordon is Jamaican.
If so, then we get clean sweep.
Anyways, see y'all soon. So this seems to be a big race, so I'm just going to show y'all. I don't know. It took so long to start the race. Him nearly false start. Number 7. See a good thing so I catch it?
Proof.
Alright, we'll soon come back when I start about the race.
400 meters. This one promises to be interesting. Demish Gay, the defending champion, runs out of lane at number 3. The meet record, 44.37 seconds. Will it be challenged? Fred Curley already moving away from Kirani James. He's in lane number 4. James is in lane number 5. Matthew Hudson-Smith of Great Britain also traveling well. 200 meters to go. Fred Curley, who saw his NCAA record demolished yet last night, looks to set it straight here in Jamaica. Curley off the curve first. It's Fred Curley on the outside. Brawl and Taplin